My king has married, and I owe my new queen a wedding gift.
No! What the fuck? What the fuck?
Are you ready to head home to Winterfell, eh?
My voice hurts.
That's one of the most disturbing scenes I've ever seen.
It's over.
Oh god. This is fucking grim. All the Starks are wiped out. Ah, that's a bit much. Fuck me. That's disgusting. Ah. It's really fucking horrible.
The Lannisters and their regards.
So grim.
Well, I'll try close.
You alright? You're pale.
That's
Your voice is sheet.
I love the way there's no music at the end as well. Sorry, Jay, I had to record you watching that.
that's really.